Hello and welcome to a new video about Tresor One. What else on this channel currently? It's all the topic, and it's also what I most what I spend most of my free time on, of course. Let's talk about ads, and let's talk about influencers and affiliate programs, referral programs, and all that marketing goodness that a lot of SaaS companies are relying upon, and that I am trying to dodge wherever I can. And why? So I'm talking to some other founders and makers and bootstrappers, etc., about this kind of stuff, and almost everyone is relying on ads, of course, if it's a good return on investment, relying on affiliate programs, all that stuff, of course, because it helps grow the business, of course. But I don't know. I don't feel good about introducing this kind of stuff. I don't feel good about spending money on that. Not necessarily because of the money, but because of I feel like it's fake traffic. You know what I mean? If I pay for ads, yes, it helps people discover Tresor One and they maybe like it and get subscribers. But on the other hand, I think recommendations of existing people or people that simply use the product and the product has, let's say, sharing built in one way or the other, it's a much more healthy grow and a much more meaningful metric to validate the product. And I feel like if people do not share it, if people do not recommend it, then the product is not good enough, and I have to work on the product itself. So that's why there is no referral program, or I don't buy any ads right now. I can't promise that it won't change anytime soon, but currently, I feel like it's not the the focus where I want to go. I rather support the users in the way that they have a tool to talk about finance and investing, etc., with their peers, and they have a nice graphical user interface that they can show to them or share with them, and that should be the main source of getting new users, and not paying for ads. So it might be a bit idealistic, and maybe at some point I'm at a growth or at the stage where this doesn't work anymore. Could be, but currently I just don't feel good about paying for ads, and referral programs as well, simply because it would encourage users to share it just so they get a benefit on their own, like for example a free month or whatever it is that you get when you refer it to other people. It encourages people to share it because of that, and not because they think the product is good and they honestly want to share it. And this is where my thoughts clash a little bit if I look at influencers, because I don't have an affiliate program and I don't pay any influencers to share this either. But this is where we get into a bit of a problem, at least in my head, because I don't want to pay anyone to share Tresor One. If Tresor One is not good enough for them to share or to recommend, and they instead recommend another tool, I guess that other tool is better, or they pay them. But anyways, if they if the other product is better, then I have to work on my product. If the other product pays influencers to recommend it, users at some point, they will go for the better tool at some point. And that's why I focus on the product mainly. But here's the kicker. An influencer discovers Tresor One, thinks it's awesome, shares it with the audience, and the audience is big. Let's say bigger than our user base, or let's say comparable. And the sharing actually brings in a lot of new people, or at least attention. And if the values of that influencer are compatible with how I think, how we think, how we set all of this up and all of the surroundings, then I would still like to give something back to that person who shared it. They shared it on their own motives. They shared it because it's nice and good, and because they like the product and they think it's a value for their audience. And that's exactly where I would like to give back, where the affiliate program would be perfect, where I can say, look, here is the link. If you share it, use that link and you will get some whatever revenue share of the subscribers that come through you. But if I have the affiliate program in the first place, then most people will probably pick it up and just say, everyone, look, I don't care if you use Tresor One or not, but if you use it, use that link so I can get the referral money. And this is exactly what I not want. I don't want like get rich quick courses to recommend Tresor One just so they have another whatever income stream at that, you know. It's not the brands that I want to be associated with. It's not the values that Tresor One stands for and that I try to you know, build into the whole project. So I guess there is one solution, I think at least, that we will approach next year. I mean, we have a couple influencers that share the product now, and we will probably go for an affiliate program, but it will be invite only. So I have not heard of anyone doing that, but we will try this. So we will set up an affiliate program just like regular affiliate programs work, and I'm actually excited for building this up with Stripe and with the SaaS tools that are out there and automating all of this nerd stuff. But anyways, it will be invite only. So I will look at every person that shares Tresor One, how big is the audience, what are they trying to teach, how do they recommend it or not, and it will be basically then a thank you for people that support Tresor One and that align with what we think and that also have a mutual benefit. We have a benefit of them sharing, and they could have a benefit of the affiliate program. So then they get invited, and we have a few people on the list for the invitation. And we will start out, of course, with one person to beta test this, and then a second person, etc., etc. So this is currently the plan for me regarding affiliate programs. I'm sure there will be ugly discussions next year when some influencers just reach out and say they want to show Tresor One to the audience and they want access to the affiliate program. These discussions will get ugly, I think, because it's exactly what I won't do, you know, to have someone like, please share it, or yeah, share it, and here's the affiliate link. So it's worse for me to give someone access to some sort of affiliate program, and that's the reason why they share it, than saying people, no, we don't have an available affiliate program, and they share it anyways because they think it's a good one. And if that, you know, fits with our thinking and with our values, then that person can get invited. So I know how this sounds. It sounds a bit they have to go into Vorleistung, you know, they have to do this to get in at some point, like they have to share it first or whatever. And I know that this sounds bad. It's not what I want, but the other part is worse for me. So just inviting everyone or letting everyone into an affiliate program, an open affiliate program, it's worse for me. That's not what I want. There is so many shady stuff in the finance world out there, and I don't want to be associated with that kind of stuff. And I also don't want to have, you know, a flood of new users that simply came through, like everyone spamming this. I don't know. It doesn't feel good to me. The organic growth that we have currently, that feels good. It's steady. It's maybe a bit slow, but it's steady, it's healthy. The people that come in actually care. They discover it. People that share it because they think it's right, because it's good, because it's a benefit to the people that they share it with. So it's a very supportive thing, you know, and very healthy. And I feel like with an affiliate program that is open, I'm threatening that or destroying that. So that's why I'm very, very, very hesitant. Maybe at some point, we will reach an open affiliate program or an open referral program or something like this. But I will start very, very slowly and selectively with this, simply to see how it's going, to see what, like, how the numbers evolve, how the sentiment evolves, what kind of people do we get in the community then, etc., etc. So yeah, these are my thoughts. I know I'm not doing or going for the usual paths here, but I assume I'm not going the usual paths with most of that stuff, or a lot of the stuff around Tresor One. So I'm trying something new again. Let's see how this works out. I will of course keep you updated. It will be some time until we have this. I hope we have this in Q1 next year. But I'll definitely keep you posted. So let me know your thoughts in the comments if you like. And if you like to support the channel, you know the drill, right? Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.